Also, there should be one virginal. You see, there is one virginal tip. So for some machines, it can have 3 tips altogether. So for each different treatment, you just change different tip. So if the machine has 3 altogether, the price will be higher for sure, and the software will be also different. So the one only with the cutting tip, the price will be much cheaper than other ones. And this one is middle, and the one with virginal is the most expensive one. So it has 3 tips altogether. And this cutting tip you can cut. It's like you can imagine it's a laser knife. It's like that. And whatever you don't want, you just cut it, burn it, and cut it and take it out like that. For spots, you cut it and take out. And for whatever coming to the skin outside, and you can cut it, and you just need to use this tip. Okay. And for scanning, many people are using it for just skin rejuvenation and peeling. When you can adjust the spots. That means there are many spots are coming out at the same time in one specific region. So you can adjust the distance between 2 spots. You also can adjust the depth the spot goes into skin. When you are adjusting the width, the distance between 2 spots, also the depth of the spot, and then you can do different type of treatment. You can decide how much serious the peeling you want to do. Very simple one, or you want to do the whole peeling, very serious peeling. You need to adjust the distance very short. So it's different. This is the virginal treatment. Yeah, this one is becoming popular for many years already. Just change the tip, in the tip from here, and you just can do the treatment. Yeah, there is one outside plastic, and that is one time used in the swimming part. This plastic is one time used, and this one is can be used always.